Welcome to the very short introduction of Selenium advantage and disadvantage lecture. I welcome you all the students and I am your instructor Shantan. I will give you the very basic ideas. I have already gave you the ideas about the Selenium, its introduction, the automation testing, what is automation testing, and the architectural diagram of Selenium WebDriver, how it works, what are the components of Selenium. If you have already skipped these videos, then I will recommend you to kindly go to the previous sections and previous lectures to get the knowledge about what is Selenium and what are its components. Now coming back to this lecture, in this lecture I will discuss with you about the advantages and disadvantages of Selenium WebDriver, and everything in this world comes with an advantages and disadvantage, and so it is Selenium also. So quickly join to this lecture session of advantages and disadvantages of Selenium. Advantages of Selenium is that it is a completely open source packages. That means the project is completely open source and it is free to use. Anybody can download the source code and also change according to their own requirements. So the Selenium has been developed and there is no license fee for that. You can download it, you can change it according to your own need. The ease of implementation, is there is a if you are a coder, that means if you know how to code and then you can use this, then the implementation is quite easy for you. But if you are a manual tester and if you don't know about how to implement it, then you have to go to some lessons before you can join or before you can work on Selenium. Selenium supports various programming languages. As I have already discussed, Selenium can be integrated with Java, C#, Perl, Python, etc. Mostly the 77% of the Selenium testers use Java. For nowadays, Python is becoming very popular and Selenium is also integrated with Python for its work purpose. Coming to the next thing or the next point is that support various operating system. Yes, Selenium supports various operating system and we can work on Windows, Linux and Macintosh also. I have skipped one thing, which is cross-browser testing. The cross-browser testing is one of the added advantages of Selenium. With just a one click you can execute all your test cases in Chrome. You can execute the same test cases in Firefox and also in Safari and also in IE and Opera and any other drivers if you need. So the cross-browser functionality is very important nowadays, as browsers are becoming day by day popular and the variety of browsers are coming into the market, and the customers are also using quite different types of browser and each browser acts differently. So Selenium supports cross-browser testing, which is another field of testing which is added in Selenium. One more thing I like to add is that it supports a parallel execution also. That means using the Selenium grid we can test the same code in different machines. This will drastically reduce the test execution time also. Easy integration with DevOps tools like Jenkins. Selenium can be easily integrated with the CI/CD pipeline all tools, that is Jenkins, and with this you can have a lot of advantages to make your project complete agile project. Now everything comes with everything in this world have a disadvantage also. Now everything in this world have a disadvantages also. If it has some advantages, it comes with some disadvantages. The disadvantages is that there is no technical support from the community, except from there is no technical support. That means you do not have a technical support just like the other products you have, but only you have the community support only. It is only can be Selenium used for the web-based application testing. That means, as I have already told, it cannot be used for the desktop or based application testing. Technical expertise is a bit required. If you know how to implement, that is okay. If you have a basic idea about Java, then it is okay, or any programming languages, then it is okay. But if you don't have any kind of knowledges of programming languages, then you need to learn a bit and then you can use Selenium on that. One of the biggest disadvantages is that it cannot automate the captcha or verifications. Selenium cannot be used for that. And one more thing I like to add is that Selenium also have a very limited support over image testing. So these are the few things that are required, that are disadvantages of Selenium. And also the setting up the test environment is also a challenge if you don't know about how to do that. If so, these advantages, the skill based application, whether you know Selenium or not, that is different, but the project wise Selenium, these are the, so this is the advantages of Selenium and disadvantages of Selenium. Bye bye for this lesson, and I will come back with a new lesson in the next section.